Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient, whether you need scheduled maintenance, transmission work, or a tune-up. At World Hyundai, our state-of-the-art facilities, equipment, and highly trained service technicians are here to get you back on the road fast. World Hyundai services the Chicago area for all your Hyundai maintenance and repairs. We truly are your one-stop shop for all of your Hyundai needs. Visit our website at www.worldhyundaimatteson.com. While you're there, check out our service center for information or to set an appointment. Order parts, find out about our internet specials. And at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information. World Hyundai is located at 5337 Miller Circle Drive in Matteson, Illinois.